Hi, hello. Hi, Stefan. Hi, Itamar. Itamar is filming. Stefan is the one is gonna listen to the story to the class. We are again here in the School of Pendulum. In this class, I'm going to teach you something. We're going to start with or. This can be or that or that. Meaning is that you can choose between this thing and you can choose between another thing. You can choose to buy this sweater or you can choose to buy the other sweater. You can choose to go to the theater tonight with John or with Michael. Is or this or this. So you see here, according to the picture, we have two fingers. We're going to use the two fingers. The two fingers can be this hand or can be this another hand. The whatever hand you prefer. You know that we are working always with two hands. I mean, here is a system that we need two hands. But I'm going to use my right hand for this especially. Now, the thing is like that. This is or. You use two fingers. The middle finger and the, how you call this one?
Index.
This is or. Okay, it's or this or that, or this or that. We already did study yes, not, yes, no. So we can say yes is the middle finger is yes, no is the other finger. Is yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. So you touch yes, no, hard. Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. Then you see which hand you prefer, or according to the circumstances and where you are, you use one or the other hand. Okay? So we're going to practice here is yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. We're going to take just a little paper. Here, take one paper. I am very kamsan, how is it kamsan in English?
Cheap.
Cheap. I don't give papers like that.
So I'm honored to receive one paper.
We're going to do from this paper a little paper, okay, in order to just write the name. Doesn't matter if it's cut okay, if it's not cut okay. Everybody knows that Samuel Eduardo Minond is kind of dyslexic for everything. So we're going to make a little paper, two papers actually, okay, but little, small, and it can be two pictures also, and you can choose or this or that or that or that, but in this case we're going to make a little papers and very practical, no? You can say I could have already the paper. So in one paper you write one name, in one paper you write another. I write in this paper John, okay, and I write in this paper Michael, Miss Michael. I circulate the paper where we don't need that in this moment. I circulate the paper where I wrote John with the intention that I give a protection. I did protection so no bad radiation can come here and affect John, and no bad radiation can come here and affect Michael. So it's a kind of protection. I did protect myself before we start the class. You did protect yourself. Yes. We are protected. We did wash our hands. Everything is clean and nice. We're going to take, here you got half of this. So we're going to take, everything is in paper. You cannot work in the table because you don't have the person in the floor. You have the person always in something clean. This paper is clean, okay. So I have one near the other, like that, okay, and here I can say or this or this, or this or this, or this or this, or this or this, okay? So, therefore, I'm going to take the pendulum and I can definitely place all this system in the point of creation that we did last time in the last class. We already had the point of creation, so I can use that actually. No, but it's more uncomfortable. I can look for the point of creation in circulating, slow circulating, and they're going to start when the pendulum decides is already giving me the signal that is in the point of creation. Now, thank you. I'm going to ask pendulum, are those two people in the point of creation? Yes or no? Yes. So we need the both of them in the point of creation because I'm going to stick that with the, first of all, we're going to start very fast. You see something happened wrong and very fast with the wing again and again. We start again, okay? Pendulum, give me the point of creation of those two people. Okay, there we are. Thank you very much. Pendulum, is this the point of creation of those two people, yes or no? Yes. How are you doing there?
Very good.
It's okay?
Yes.
You got it?
Yes.
Now, there is one more thing that if you realize, I did protect Sean, I did protect Mikey, but I did not protect the both of them together. So I'm going to circulate with the intention of protection of the both of them together. It's just a circle. This is not a circle, exactly circle, doesn't have to be, but it's okay. This is the way it goes. So I go again. I'm looking for the point of creation. Pendulum, please give me the point of creation of those two persons. And I circulate slow, till the pendulum decides. There you are, okay? There we are, and now I can stick the paper there. Pendulum, is this the point of creation of this person? Yes or no? Yes. How goes yours?
Pendulum, this is the point of creation of these two persons. Where it is exactly. Okay. It's kind of high, yeah. Pendulum, is this the point of creation of these two persons? I have it.
It's a yes?
Yes.
Okay. Pendulum, is this point of creation for these two persons? Yes or not? Yes. Okay, fine. So now I can go with mouth.
It told me no.
No, because you did wrong.
Yeah.
And you know that. I saw you. I was waiting for that. So start all over again. Start circulating the two papers.
I drew the paper early.
Right.
I did too fast. I went too fast.
We have time. You don't rush it with the pendulum because this is the beginning. Then later on, you're going to be very fast. You're going to be so fast you won't recognize yourself. And this is going to help you in life too, to make things faster too. It's something very strange.
Yes.
And the last thing that you're going to get with the pendulum is this take years and years, of course, but it's up to you, is that you become the pendulum. I mean, this is the idea, that I don't need that. I need to feel it somehow to become more sensitive.
Yes. And
And every time I become more and more sensitive. Okay, so you go.
Pendulum. Is this the point of creation of these two persons?
You circulate slow, circulate. Yes. Go around, circulate. No, don't be afraid. And the pendulum eventually will grab the vibration, will grab the frequencies of those two people together. He's going around the universe looking for what you're asking, and he's going to, he's giving you the sign. You see? That's it. That's enough. You got it. Now you say thank you,
Thank you.
and you say pendulum again. If you don't touch it, just put the pin. Okay. Now you ask if you are in the point of creation.
Pendulum,
Yes or no?
Am I, yes or no, in the point of creation? Yes.
Yes. If you want to be sure about if you are in the point of creation, I will ask, take a look here. I will say, pendulum, please tell me, I am not in the point of creation of this person, of these people, yes or not? No. Meaning yes. I ask the negative question. And the negative question is very tricky because for me it's very hard to get it in that moment. So if you ask the negative person, it's a trick for the unconscious. The unconscious knows. You understand? I am thinking conscious, yes it is, but the inconscious in the pendulum will tell you exactly what my inconscious is talking about and what the inconscious of those people are talking about. So it's a combination here. Okay, so I got it, okay? So
Yes.
now I can say this one or this one. Okay, so let's say that I put the pendulum in the side. Okay? For this, yes, I use this white because I want to have to be more clean.
Okay.
You see here the picture? Okay, I'm gonna say like that, pendulum. I want to know if to go to the movies tonight with Michael or with Sean, okay? This way I already placed the question. And I'm gonna say now, this one or this one? This one, yes or no? No, said to me. This one, yes or no? Yes, he said to me. So I have to go with the person with what is this? John. Okay, so I'm going to go. So I'm going to go with Sean to the movies. Let's see how you doing there.
Pendulum, pendulum. With who should I go to the movie tonight? With Bob?
No,
No.
that. Close the three fingers is the same that you take in the pendulum, but instead of using these fingers, you use those fingers. But this is closed. You don't want radiation going away from your hands. You do yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. And you practice then. Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. So you can ask now.
Yes. Pendulum, pendulum. Should I go to the movie with which person?
Yes
Bob?
or no?
Yes or no? With Bob? With Natalie? With Bob?
So you do it a few times the same thing.
Yeah.
Correct?
Correct. So it tells me to go with Bob.
Eh?
With Bob.
You go with both?
Yes.
You are a problematic person.
Yes. What happened? I should go
That's
with.
because you are a dancer, Stefan. No, you have to choose.
I have
You
to
cannot
choose.
go to the movie with two.
No.
You decide.
Yes.
Or this one or this one.
Oh, Natalie?
Open, close the hand. Close the hand.
Yeah, it's true. No, but maybe I put like some subconscious because I put a name that I'm emotionally affected.
Take your emotions down. Because of that reason, we have the negative questions after.
Yeah.
After you decide, you ask the negative question.
So I go back.
Is this one or this one?
This one? Or
Yes
this
or
one?
no?
Yes or not? It's this one or this one? This one or this one? Yeah, this one.
So you go with one or two?
With one, only one.
Only one. So now ask the next negative question. If you should go with this person, if you should not go with this person,
Should I not go with this person to the movie?
put your finger inside. Your finger inside.
This one too.
Because you are pointing now.
Yeah. I should not go. No,
As you should go then.
so I should go.
That's it.
We're good.
Okay. Thank you very much. we are finish our class for today. We be back. Good night.